Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and if your water softener is making a weird sound, I'm going to explain what it is. And this is actually normal. What it's doing is washing its balls. So once, and check out my separate video where I explain step by step how I configured my AquaSure water softener. And basically once it hits the specified number of gallons, then it'll trigger what's called a regeneration. So what a regeneration does, it washes all the balls in this tank. So the water hardness is, think of it from this perspective. So when these balls get dirty, they don't clean the water effectively. So periodically, it's got to do what's called a regeneration. The regeneration is washing the balls that are inside this canister. And then once the balls are clean, as your water, in my case from the city, comes in, then it flows around the balls and it's distributed throughout my house as soft water. But if these regenerations did not occur, the balls would get so dirty that they wouldn't soften your water effectively. So that's the reason for a regeneration. A lot of people said, hey man, my water softener is making a weird noise, dude. What's going on, bro? And that's what it is. It's doing a regeneration. It's perfectly normal. And you can hear it. It's kind of a hissing sound. It's making noise, but nothing to be worried about. It's just washing its balls, man. There you go. See, there's the regeneration. Pretty cool. Very cool technology. I have thoroughly enjoyed the water softener because it is saving. It's making my sinks easier to clean. It's I don't have in the shower doors. I don't have all the hard water when I'm cleaning the shower to have to deal with. So this thing's done a phenomenal job. And surprisingly, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more salt. But it doesn't. It's efficient. I'm not having to use a ton of salt. With our usage, I have to add a bag of salt every few months or so. So it's cost of ownership is minimal. But yeah, when you hear that sound with the water softener, at least with this water softener, all it's doing is washing its balls. Hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell when you do. Oh, and by the way, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find the water softener like I'm using. I highly recommend it. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.